Hi there, Son here, Celebrate Life with Sonia, and that's me. Okay, thought I'd pop on tonight. I'm holding this up and people probably wondering what I'm doing. Yeah, well, we're talking tonight about how to make your fragrances last on your body. A lot of people say, well, it depends on what skin type and, a few other things, but I know for me, my experience for me is that we can't always smell it on us, but other people can, which is, I guess, the whole, one of the reasons for wearing lovely perfumes and fragrances, although I love to smell them myself. Yeah, not just for other people's enjoyment, it's for mine as well. So what type of skin have you got? Mine's oily. I have oily skin. I know a couple of my close friends have quite dry skin and the scent doesn't stay as well on their skin, so it just depends. But I find for my oily skin, I don't do too bad actually, which is great. But yeah, I just really love to smell it. Now, with a lot of our perfumes and fragrances, as we know, you do get the cream, and perfume, cream. So that's with opium, black opium. So I've got the black opium here that I talked about the other day on my video about fragrances. So I, dab a little bit of that on and then spray on the top. So that's a double dose. And I also have, I love, Sarah Parker, and her perfume's called Lovely. I love Lovely, so that's her perfume. And my daughter put me onto this perfume. She was wearing it and I noticed the fragrance was lovely. So yeah, it's daytime or night wear, it doesn't really matter. It's just really gorgeous perfume, and they've got the cream too. I think quite a few of them have, but I usually don't buy the cream as well because they can be quite expensive. But yeah, so that's that one as well. When I'm wearing my Coco Chanel, well, this one's intense. This is the new one that's out. Well, I don't really need to layer it as much, but I still do because that's me. Surprise, surprise. Okay, so I just use my Nivea. It's a non-smelling cream is best, because then otherwise you get too much off scent. But and this is the closest that I could find for me, and this is what I use Nivea for my skin. My mum used to wear Pond's, and she said that my nana used to wear Pond's too, and they have beautiful skin. My mum does. Yeah, so I layer with a little bit of Nivea. Oops, this is just a little bottle that I keep in my handbag. Okay, I usually get the large bottles, but I just layer a little bit of Nivea under the neck. Not bad for a 64-year-old neck, is it? No surgery either, guys. Yeah, and then what am we put on this one? This is my other Chanel Coco. Okay, just a little bit of a spray, and then dab it just a little bit, not too much, and that gives me 2 layers. That layers my perfume. Yay! Which is really important for us girls, isn't it? And guys. There are a lot of guys as well who love to have their fragrances, lasting them all day as well. And I'm sure some of them will make a video on it on YouTube, which would be fantastic. Yeah, so that's me as far as the layering goes of perfume. And I also just wanted to briefly talk about, my son just got me this for Christmas, and it's Riri, which is Riri by Rihanna, right? And it's her perfume, and I don't know how long this one's been out, but I do intend to try it. I haven't tried it yet, but I will. I'm going to Australia in a couple of days to Perth, so I'll take some with me. Yeah, so this one's a new one. I don't know if you girls and guys have tried it yet. If you have, please leave a comment. Okay, yeah, so that's one that I haven't tried yet. And I've also got one of my favourites, White Diamond by Elizabeth Taylor that my daughter got me for Christmas. So I'm really spoiled. I love all these perfumes that I get for Christmas and my birthday. Yeah, so I've got some more of this, and they're fantastic for everyday wear. You know, I find especially white diamond suits my oily skin. Okay, so I'm going to go now, but I just wanted to pop in because I haven't made a YouTube video for a few days, and I just wanted to say hi to everybody. So if you like my videos, please share them, click subscribe, click the bell, and like. All right, and I'll be tuning in again when I'm in Perth in a couple of days. Bye.